Doodly is not free, and today we're going to cover whether I think it's worth buying. So, is Doodly worth it? That's exactly what we're going to cover today. And number one, do you want to create captivating videos without being on camera? Then this is a tool for you. Do you want to stand out from the crowd with animated videos because they do look good and they do stand out? Then this is the tool for you. And number three, do you want to easily increase your conversions? If you think that you can't create videos without being on camera, then Doodly is the answer, because you can do exactly that, and I'm going to show you how. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up, because I put videos out like this every single week, reviewing products, making money online, affiliate marketing. That's what this channel is all about. So if you want to keep up to date on that sort of stuff, find out the latest tips, tricks and tutorials, then hit that subscribe button now, guys, and let's move on. Let's jump over to Doodly and check it out. Okay, we're in the Doodly dashboard, and you can see some of the videos that I've created along here and down here. Now you can go over and you can create a new video. You can choose whiteboard, chalkboard and green board. You can even do glass. You can change the style of the hand that you're going to use. You can change the size, the resolution. There's so much you can do. I'm just going to show you a quick example here. So we're going to create a brand new video, and here along the side is all of the elements that you get along with this. So you've got the characters, you've got scenes that you can add in, you've got props, you've got text, and you've even got sounds and music that you can add in as well, all included in the package. Now I will make you aware at this point that there is a very limited amount that are free in the basic package. So if you're buying in at the basic level, you can see there's still quite a few here, but if you want to get like real custom ones that are based around the niche or the business that you're in, then you may have to look at upgrading to the higher package or buying some of the other templates. But there's still a lot of templates here. These are the characters, and you can see there's plenty of different characters in here that you can use. All these different ones you can add in. Now again, this is starting from scratch. You can upload your own. You can see I've uploaded some of my own in here, and they've got some of theirs as well. All of this stuff you can use. There's one thing that I have found, unless you've got a natural eye for creating videos like this, I found it very, very time consuming, very, very difficult to make a video that looked good. Now it's so easy to put this stuff in. It's literally drag and drop, and you can put it in. You can adjust the delay, the duration. You can change that around. So you know, we can put these different elements in, and you can change all this. It's all everything you can do on here is interactive, and it's very, very easy to use. But to make a video actually look good, I found was far too time consuming for me. I am not gifted in that respect. Being able to put together videos, you know, you can use the scenes that they've got here, and that's going to make things a little bit easier. But as you can see here, it fills up the whole scene, and it's got all of these sections, and it's already put in there. All the durations already put in. You can do a preview up here and watch it. We'll do that now. You can watch it drawing as it goes. But what I found was a much better option if you're not particularly gifted in creating videos that look good. I mean, after some time, after using the software for a while, you're going to get better and better. So it's always worth practicing. But this is the great part, is these templates. This is what I like to use. Like I said, I've done a few of my own designs, but I found that the templates they have here are fantastic. So obviously you can get more templates in the marketplace. You can go and pay for them, and they're going to show up in my paid templates. But there's plenty in here that are included in the basic package as well that you can use. You can see all of these ones here are all locked because they're all paid. So you know, again, if you want to do more with the software, and as you start becoming more advanced with it, you may want to upgrade to the higher package or start buying template packages as well. But there's plenty here to get started, and you can just click on one of these. We'll put it as a test just so you can have a look. And this is going to have everything set up for you already, so it's much easier to make a really captivating, really good looking animated video. And all you have to do is edit all of the elements within each section. Now you can edit all of this, you can change the colors, you can do all of that sort of stuff. But as you can see, it just looks better from the off. Again, we can preview it and we can watch it. Drawing, you can change when things are drawn and change all that. You've also got the subtitles here that you can edit as well. Fantastic tool. And like I said at the beginning, if you want to start a YouTube channel or you want to do some marketing for your business, we all know how powerful videos are. Videos are a massive part of marketing any business right now. You need to be using videos if you're not. And this is a great way to do it if you don't want to be on camera. If you've got what they call a face for radio, then maybe you don't want to put yourself on camera. Or learning to do videos, create videos like this on YouTube takes time, it takes practice, and you can throw together very quickly a template of this and start creating videos for your YouTube channel, your marketing, your Facebook, anything. It really is a great piece of software for that, and that's the #1 thing that I think is an advantage. Now we're going to jump over in a second, go and have a look at what you get and the price structure, so that you're fully aware. You may not have looked at that already, you may have looked at it, but I want to show you anyway. But you can see that everything is in here. And the other great thing with this, I talk about this with other software that I use, is that it will store all of your designs on here. So if you don't have a huge hard drive on your laptop, when you start creating a lot of videos, that's going to take up a lot of space on your laptop, your desktop, whatever it may be, on your hard drive. And for me, I tend to use things like Google Drive and stuff like that, but you quite quickly fill those up, and then you'll start having to pay for that service as well. So we want to limit the amount of stuff we're storing, and this will store all of your videos on here quite happily, which is another great feature. So you can download them onto the laptop, you can upload them to YouTube or put them wherever you want, then you can delete them off the laptop, and they're still going to be saved in your Doodly software. Fantastic. So let's jump over. So if you want to go and check Doodly out for yourselves, then you can hit the link below this video. It's going to be at the top of the description there. Go and hit that link. It's going to take you over to this website. This is going to explain everything about the software, all of the features, the benefits, all the stuff you get. There's a video right here at the top, created by Brad Cullen, the guy who created the software. And he's going to talk a lot more about what you can do with it when you get more advanced, the stuff that it can do. It's incredible what it can really do. And also it's going to show you a lot of videos along here of people that have created videos through Doodly, and some of them are really incredible. I watched a few earlier today, and they're fantastic videos. There's some incredible stuff that you can do that I've never even tried. Like I said a little while ago, I struggled making videos from scratch because I just haven't dedicated the time into learning how to put it all together, and I just don't have that eye for it. But there is a whole community around Doodly. They've created this community where people will help you. There's a big support network and stuff, so if you really want to get stuck into this software, the support is there to teach you. And Doodly even has its own advanced training program to teach you the real advanced features of Doodly and what you can do with it. So if you really want to take this to the next level, then that is all there, so that you've got the opportunity to use all that. Now, like I said, this website's going to take you through everything you can do. You can see all the different hands that you can use, all the different styles. It really is incredible. But as I did mention before, if you're buying into the basic package, then it's limited on the stuff that you get. So if you buy in the top package, which is Enterprise, you're going to get a lot more. So you can see character images, you get 1100, just over 1100, and you get nearly 4000 with the enterprise. And again, it's like that all the way through. So you get royalty-free music, video templates, font, scene templates, all of this stuff. And like I said, there's access to Doodly Club, so they've got their own club as well. But that looks like it's just for the enterprise. So if you're going to buy in at the standard level, once you start getting more advanced, just be aware that you may have to start investing some money to buy more templates, more characters, more images, all of that sort of stuff, or upgrade to the enterprise version. It depends how far you want to take it, but the standard version is more than good enough. I've used it for a few videos, and you can create really good videos. Not massively advanced, but really good videos within that standard package. And that is a monthly fee of $39, you can see there, and the enterprise is $69. If you pay annually, then that is substantially reduced down to 20 and 40 consecutive. So there's a lot there, and the price is really good. I think it's really worth the cost if you're going to use it. If you're the type of person that wants to create videos but you don't want to be on camera and you want to create something captivating, something that's going to catch people's eyes, that's really going to help you increase your conversions for your business, or if you're like me, you're creating videos on YouTube and you want to build a YouTube channel and you want to get a load of subscribers, the videos like this, I'm sure you've seen them around, these animated videos, they really catch your eye. They're going to help you increase those conversion rates, and for that cost is minimal. I think that's really good. I think it's absolutely worth getting if that you plan on using it. If you're going to buy it as just to mess around with, then I would hold on, because they have run in the past a lifetime membership for one single fee. But that's not currently running at the minute. I checked that before I created this video to see if it was running, and I don't believe that offer is running at the minute. So that may have finished now. It may never come back. I don't know. But if you're not going to use it that often, then maybe wait and see if that offer comes available. If not, then jump in and go and have a play. You can go and sign up for a standard. It's going to cost you $20 if you build, or if you want to, just try it for a month, go in and get the standard for $39. And if you don't like it, you can always cancel your subscription. There's no tie-ins. You can always go and cancel that. And just have a play around, and it's just going to help you get started with your business, help you market your business, help you start that YouTube channel and get yourself out there without having to get on camera. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Again, if you have, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Stick any comments in the comment box below. Any questions you might have about Doodly, stick them in the comments, or reach out on the live chat on the website. And like I said, the link for that is just below this video in the description. So feel free to go and hit that up and go and check out Doodly for yourselves. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.